Good morning, students. Now it is your fourth lecture of electrochemistry, and we discuss some numericals depending upon Nast equation, which is taught in yesterday class or last class. Now, the students, in exercise 3.5, question number 2. Students, there is FES vertical line, FE2 plus 0.01 m double vertical line, X plus is 1 m single vertical line H2, that is 1 bar single vertical line platinum. Now a student find the EMF of the cell. So the students, we said that initially we find the redox reaction of the following notations. So the students, at left side of double vertical line oxidation take place, and at right side the double vertical line reduction take place. Now the students, we write that Fe is oxidized into Fe2 plus 2 electron, and H plus is reduced to gaining electron. Now to balancing the electron is cancelled, and we write that Fe plus 2H plus, it gives Fe2 plus H2. So the students, we write the Nast equation for the following equation. We write that E cell equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by n log concentration of product by concentration of reactant. So the students, Fe2 plus, now the pressure of H2 by Fe is solid, students, so its concentration is taken as unity, and H plus square. Now the students, we must have calculated the E naught cell of this equation. So we see electrochemical series, a table which is given in your last class. In this, Fe2 plus 2Fe is minus 0.44 volt. Now the students, we calculate the E naught cell equals to E naught right minus E naught left. Now the students, E naught right is SHE. SHE, it means 0 minus left 0.44. Now the students, 0.44 volt, it's a standard cell potential, and putting these values, students, now we calculate 0.44 minus 0.0591 by how many electrons are transferred, student? 2 electrons are transferred. 2 log Fe2 plus का concentration, students, how much? 0.001 m, pressure is 1 bar, and H plus concentration is 1 into square. Now the students, 0.44 minus 0.0295 log 10 to the power minus 3. Now solving these, students, 0.44 minus 0.0295 log 10 to the power minus 3 students, 10 to the power minus 3, that is minus 3. So 0.44 minus 0.0295 into minus 3. Now the students 0.44 plus 0.0887. Now the students we add them and the answer is 0.523 volt. Okay students. Okay students, now we discuss the question number 4 of 3.5 in exercise of electrochemistry. In this question, a student, the electrode potential of bromine is 1.018 volt and SH is 0 volt. Now the students, we calculate the standard cell potential, which is 0 minus 1.08 volt. So the students, we get minus 1.08 volt. Now we write a redox reaction of the notation, which is most important for solving this question. At left side, oxidation take place. So the students, Br minus convert into Br2 by losing 2 electrons and 2H plus gain 2 electron to give H2. By cancel of electron, we get 2 Br minus plus 2H plus, it gives Br2 plus H2. To get a redox reaction students, we have easy to go solve this question. Now E cell equals to inert cell is minus 1.08 minus 0.0591 by how many electrons are transferred? 2 log. Bromine is pure liquid, so its concentration is 1. Hydrogen 1 bar, so its pressure is 1 by concentration of Br minus. Concentration of Br minus students 0.01 square and H plus concentration is students 0.03 square. The square rise because its coefficient is 2. So the students, to solve this question furtherly, now we get E cell equals to minus 1.08 minus, to solving this we get 0.0295 log 1 by 9 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now the students, minus 1.08 minus 0.0295 log 1.111 into 10 to the power plus 7. To solving the students following data, we know that 10 to the power plus 7 is 7, 11th, the first column is seen and the decimal is used, and calculate all these data, we get that minus 1.28 volt. It's your answer students. Now the students, we discuss further now the students, we move further in the in this chapter. In last class we studied that A, B, C plus D. To write it, E cell equals to inert cell minus 0.0591 by n log QC. A student, where QC is reaction coefficient. Now the students, if reaction goes in equilibrium, then E cell is 0 volt, because the students, when the reaction get equilibrium, then the rate of forward and backward reaction are equal, then the overall cell potential of the redox reaction is 0 and QC become equal to Kc, that is equilibrium constant. Now the students, putting this data in above, we get that E cell, E0 cell equals to 0.0591 by n log Kc. So the students, it is the formula to calculate the equilibrium constant by the help of E0 cell. Now the students, in 0.0591 is calculated by followings. Students, we know that the value of 0.0591 is calculated as follows. In any equation, E cell equals to E0 cell minus RT by NF log QC. In this condition, students, we know that the value of R, T and F, which is given earlier, at equilibrium E cell is 0 volt and QC is Kc. So E0 cell equals to, students, if you write log, then 2.303 must be taken. If you take ln, natural log, 2.303 is not taken. So the students, E0 cell equals to 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. To multiply accordance, NF E0 cell equals to 2.303 RT log Kc. Both are the equal data, where N is number of electron transfer, F is Faraday, which is 96,500. E0 cell is a standard cell potential, R is gas constant, which is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. Temperature must be taken in a Kelvin, then you calculate the equilibrium constant. Now the students, we relate cell potential and Gibbs energy. Students, this term is known in thermodynamics chapter class 11. The useful energy which perform a useful work. The extra energy which perform a useful work is called Gibbs energy. And you know that the cell potential, the potential difference between two rods. So the students, Gibbs energy is related with electrical work done is equal to decrease in free energy. Now the students, electrical work done is equal to decrease in free energy. So we relate the electrical work done and Gibbs energy as follows. Now the students, electrical work done is equal to quantity of electricity into EMF of the cell. So the students, electrical work done is quantity of electricity. What is the quantity of electricity, students? Then the quantity of electricity is N into F. N into F. And EMF is E naught cell. Now the students, electrical work done is equal to decrease in free energy, and decrease in free energy is written as del G standard, decrease in Gibbs energy. So the students, del G equals to minus NF E naught cell is the relation between cell potential and Gibbs energy. Now the students, we discuss relation between Gibbs energy and equilibrium constant. Now the students, in Nernst equation there are relation for any electrode, calculate any electrode potential. E cell equals to E naught cell minus RT by NF ln QC. Here ln is natural log. It is also written as E cell equals to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log QC. If E cell is 0 and QC become equal to Kc, to called reaction attain equilibrium. Now this equation also written as E naught cell equals to 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. Now the students, we multiply them to write that NF E naught cell equals to 2.303 RT log Kc. So the students, we know that NF E naught cell is minus del G standard. It means decrease in free energy or Gibbs energy. So the students, del G equals to minus NF E naught cell. So we also write that if NF E naught cell and 2.303 RT log Kc both are equal, Then at the place of NF E0 cell, we also write that minus 2.303 RT log Kc, and to calculate Kc we use NT log minus del G standard by 2.303 RT. This is the formula to calculate the equilibrium constant by the help of Gibbs energy. So the students, in question a redox reaction is given. To initially you calculate E0 cell by the help of electrochemical series, a standard cell potential. To know that standard cell potential and follow this formula to calculate the Gibbs energy for the reaction, and when you calculate the Gibbs energy of the reaction, then follow this formula, you calculate the equilibrium constant. And the students, here the Gibbs energy is given in your question is kilojoule and the value of R is joule. So you convert kilojoule or into joule, either joule into kilojoule, and temperature must be taken in Kelvin. So the students, in NCERT book, in text 3.6 and exercise 3.4 and 3.6 are solved depending upon these two formula. Gibbs energy equals to minus NF E0 cell and Gibbs energy equals to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. In various book students, del G equals to RT ln Kc is used. So if we calculate Kc, then exponential form of del G and RT is also written. So when you use 1 by ln, then it is called exponential form. So the formula are as follow: del G standard equals to students minus NF E0 cell is the first formula. Second formula is del G standard equals to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. Students, third formula is change in enthalpy of the reaction inside the cell. Del H equals to NFE plus NFT dE by dt at constant pressure, where the students del H is change in enthalpy, N is number of electron, F is Faraday, E is cell potential, and number of electron F Faraday, T is temperature taken in Kelvin. Change in energy by change in temperature. Now the students, fourth formula is entropy change of a reaction inside the cell. Change in entropy equals to NF del E by del T at constant pressure. Now the students, some questions which are asked in various time in board as well as NEET and JEE Mains. The first question is, students, you calculate E0, copper plus 2 copper is what volt by the following data. Students, copper 2 plus, it gain 2 electron, 2 copper, its electrode potential is 0.34 volt. And the students, copper 2 plus, to get 1 electron, it gives copper plus, the electrode potential is 0.15 volt. By the help of these two half reactions, you calculate the standard cell potential of following. Now the second question is very important, students. The second question is the EMF of cell is given, which is 0.28